Hey guys, welcome back again. This is MJ, and today here I'm going to show you how to select enter column and row in table in Microsoft Word by using very easy keyboard shortcut keys. And there is a common method to select the enter column and row by using arrow key like this by using the mouse. But I will show you the easy keyboard shortcut key, and this shortcut key will work all the version of Microsoft Word like 2003, 7, 10 and 13. So key is very simple. If you want to select the any column, enter column, keep the cursor on the start point and just hold the keys Alt Shift. Remember the key, hold the Alt Shift and press page down. So I will show again, hold the Alt Shift and press page down if you were going to select the entire column. Look at that. And for selecting rows, just hold the Alt Shift and press End key. Look at that, the entire row is selected. So don't be confused, I will use the desktop keyboard for your easy understanding. Here you can see. Okay, just give me a second. So just keep the cursor on the starting point and hold Alt Shift and page down. Look at that, the column is selected. And if you want to select the row, hold the Alt Shift and press End, or if you are in the end, just select that, hold the Alt Shift and press Home button. Look at that. Or if you are in the bottom, just hold the Alt Shift and press Home. Sorry, hold the Alt Shift and press Page Up. Look at that. So selecting from the top side, you need to hold the Alt Shift and press Page Down, and for upside, Alt Shift for Page Up. So this is the easy shortcut key for Microsoft Word in table, selecting column and row. Alt Shift down for selecting all entire column, Alt Shift End for entire row, and you can select entire column and row from any point. Look at that. I'm going to select the second rows. Look at that. Just keep the cursor from where you want to select the row and hold the Alt Shift and press End, or if you want to going to select the column, just hold Alt Shift and press page down or page up or End or Home. Like this, you can use any keys of your requirement. So this is our review of, or this is a method to how to work for in the table. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much.
In MS Word, we can modify the table as per our requirements. To insert a row in the table, place the cursor in the 6th row of the table. Under Table Tools, click on the Layout tab. The Layout tab appears. From the Rows and Columns group, click on the Insert Below icon. A row is added in the table after the last row of the table. Likewise, to insert a column in the table, place the cursor in the 5th column of the table. Click on the Layout tab. From the Rows and Columns group, click on the Insert Right icon. A column is added in the table to the right of the 5th column. An alternative way to insert a row or column in a table is by placing the cursor in the table where you want to add the row or column. Right-click the cell, select Insert, and click Insert Columns to the right. Repeat the above 2 steps. This time selecting Insert Rows below.
In this video, we'll take a look at how to delete rows and columns from a table in Microsoft Word. So say here that we wanted to delete this row here with Paul Clausen in it. Suppose that he was no longer with the company. So in this table here, to delete this row, we can double click when we see this arrow here just to the left of P and Paul. Double click the mouse and that'll select the entire row. And then right click the mouse to open up the shortcut menu. And then here we can select delete rows. So let's go ahead and do that. And then you can see the entire row deletes. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring that back up by pressing Ctrl Z or undo. And I want to show you another way in which you can do this as well. With the cursor flashing in any of the cells in this row, I can right click the mouse, select delete cells, and then here I get this delete cells window that pops up. And I could go ahead and select delete entire row and then click OK. And notice that also gets rid of it. Now another way I can delete a row is I can go to layout and then select delete. And then if I go ahead and select delete rows, if my cursor's in the current row I want to delete and I select delete rows, then that will also get rid of the row. Okay, let's go ahead and bring that back. Now to delete a column, you really just go through the same process. So say I want to delete the region here. If I select this entire column and then right click the mouse button, I can select delete columns. And I'll go ahead and undo that. Or I can right click the mouse button once again without that column selected, but with the cursor flashing somewhere in there. Select delete cells and then go ahead and select delete entire column, and that will do the trick. And finally, our last method, if I go to layout, select delete, and then go to delete columns, that will also do it. Okay, so that's it for deleting a row or column in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.
If you work with tables in Microsoft Office Word, on occasion you might find it desirable to merge multiple cells into one cell or to split a single cell into multiple cells. Fortunately, Word's table functionality supports both of these options, and in this tip you will learn just how easy it is to merge as well as to split table cells in Word. Suppose you had a table similar to the one currently shown on the screen, and you would like to center the title of K2 Manufacturing Sales Results by Division over the top of the entire table. To do so, begin by merging all of the cells in the first row into one cell. To accomplish this, select all 4 cells, and then from Table Tools Layout, choose the Merge Cells option. Upon clicking Merge Cells, you notice that all 4 cells have now been merged into one cell. At this point, we can simply apply any other formatting characteristic we desire, such as center and perhaps even boldface, and change the font size. Now, let's shift gears into splitting a table cell. If necessary, you can split a cell or range of cells in a table into multiple cells. Essentially, splitting table cells is the reverse process of merging table cells. To split a table cell or cells, begin by selecting the cell or cells you wish to split. Then, once again, from Table Tools Layout tab, we're going to choose Split Cells. Upon doing so, this opens the Split Cells dialog box in which we are asked how many columns and how many rows we want to generate. In this example, let's choose to keep the number of rows at 1, but change the number of columns to 4. Upon clicking OK, we find that Microsoft Office Word has created 4 new cells from the original cell. As you can see, merging and splitting cells in Word tables are both simple tasks, requiring only minimal effort. So the next time you are working with tables in Word, use these techniques to enhance the appearance of your document. On behalf of everyone at K2 Enterprises, thanks for taking time to watch this video tip. For more information on the training courses we offer, please visit our website at www.k2e.com.